Do you sometimes wonder what constellations and other objects are in the night sky? Well, just look up and we'll walk you through the October sky tonight. We'll start in the southwest where Scorpius is getting ready to set. Just above his tail is the teapot of Sagittarius, along with the two gas giant planets Jupiter and Saturn, slowly creeping closer and closer together. Next is Capricornus, followed by Aquarius to the southeast. We can now see all of Pisces, which represents two fish tied together with a ribbon. You'll also see bright reddish-orange Mars, which reaches opposition this month. Opposition means it's the closest to the Earth and brightest it appears in our sky as we both orbit around the Sun at different rates. To finish off our zodiacs, we can see Aries the Ram rising in the east. We have two full moons this month, the first on October 1st and the second on October 31st. The first one is called the Harvest Moon, and the second one is a blue moon. Both are called micromoons because they occur when the moon is the furthest in its orbit from the Earth and appears somewhat smaller, whereas supermoons occur when the moon is closest to Earth in its orbit and appears somewhat larger. The next supermoon isn't until April of 2021. Now, turning to the northwest, we have the Big Dipper, part of Ursa Major the Big Bear, very low in the sky. You may remember from a previous video that there is an easily visible double star in the handle called Mizar and Alcor. The Big Dipper still points to the ever-visible Polaris in the north, which is at the end of the handle of the Little Dipper and part of Ursa Minor, the Little Bear. And once again we can arc to Arcturus, the bright star in Boötes the herdsman, now getting very low in the sky, with the C shape of Corona Borealis right nearby. A little more to the southwest, we have Ophiuchus holding Serpens the snake. Then, almost overhead, we have Aquila, Lyra, and Cygnus, which are the three main constellations of the summer triangle. The Milky Way goes right through here as well, making this a great time to see it if you're in a dark location. Then, moving slightly to the east, we have Pegasus the flying horse, which you can recognize from the asterism of the Great Square. In place of Pegasus' back legs, we have Andromeda the Princess, with the Andromeda Galaxy right nearby. Perseus the hero is now rising in the northeast, just below her feet. Within Perseus is another special star system called Algol. In this case, two stars are orbiting each other and regularly block each other's light, causing it to fluctuate in brightness over a period of about 3 days. It is sometimes called the Demon Star and represents the eye of Medusa in Greek mythology. Next, Andromeda's parents, Cassiopeia and Cepheus, are up above Perseus, now very prominent in this part of the sky. To round things out, we have Draco the dragon near the two dippers, locked in battle with Hercules the strong man high in the west. There are many other fainter constellations in the sky as well, giving us a total of 88, of which we can see roughly half at any given time. In reality, they are not just the stick figures you typically see, but full areas of the sky. Ancient cultures had amazing imaginations and could see all kinds of people, animals, and objects in the night sky. What do you see when you look up at the stars? We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Space Bites, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Videos like these are made with support from viewers like you. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many museums, such as ourselves, are asking for support. So share our video with your friends, or if you're able, please click the link in the description box below to help support us during these unprecedented times. Join us again next time, and stay hungry.